Oscar and Katie love their home, but they have always dreamed of a new kitchen. It's been on their to-do list for a while. But they worry about the design and renovation costs and the mess involved with replacing their cabinet boxes. Today, they find an online service at newcabinetdoors.com, which allows them to design and order high-quality painted doors at an affordable price. Nieu Cabinet Doors offers an online design quiz that helps them explore different styles and colors. At the end of the quiz, they see what their style looks like on a 3D rendering of an actual kitchen. They can then choose to work with a new designer, something you usually have to pay hundreds of dollars for. Oscar and Katie love the look and decide to move forward. They watch the how-to measure doors video on the newcabinetdoors.com site and build their order using this simple online form. Their tailor-made cabinet doors arrive within a few weeks. Everything fits perfectly, and installation is a breeze. Check out their kitchen. Whether you know what you want or need design help, Nieu Cabinet Doors has the online tools, how-to videos, and personal guidance to make the whole process easy. An affordable kitchen with high-end results is just a few clicks away. Nieu has over 20 years' experience crafting cabinet doors for thousands of satisfied customers. Get ready to adore your doors.